look into, look out, look through, look forward to. These phrases all have two things in common. First, they all start with the verb look. And second, they are phrasal verbs. Let's learn what each phrasal verb means and how it's used in a sentence. Number one, look into something, to study or investigate something. A committee was set up to look into the causes of the accident. Number two, look out, to be careful or to pay attention to something dangerous. Be sure to look out for hidden buyers in the next month or so. Number three, look through something, to read something quickly. I need you to look through the report before we send it to the director tomorrow. And number four, look forward to something, to wait with pleasure for something to happen. Are you looking forward to going on vacation? Like these phrases? Be sure to click on the link in my bio so you can get more business English in my new free e-course. And yes, it's really free.